She sees distant cars passing, birds singing between buildings, a soft morning wind.
After another long day at work, Lily walked through the heart of the bustling city. Surrounded by strangers, she dreamed of a quieter place where life could finally slow down. Home, at last. Ah, that's better. Now I can finally relax. Ah, that's exactly what I needed. A quiet evening and a good cup of coffee.
It's beautiful, but it's so loud. I miss the sound of nature.
I can't do this anymore. So places like this really exist. That's it. I'm taking a break. I'm going. Kettle, check. Coffee mug, definitely coming with me. There, everything I need for a cozy little adventure. Just the essentials. The less I carry, the more free I'll feel. I think I'm finally ready for this adventure. Canvas, check. Everything I need is right here. Here's to new places, peaceful days, and unforgettable memories. Time to get this caravan sparkling clean. Almost done with this side. There, looking much better. All right, suitcase first. Perfect, now the duffel. All set. Everything's packed. Time to stock up at the supermarket. Perfect, we're here. Snacks, drinks, and toiletries. Got everything I need. Okay, milk first. Now for the veggies. Bread next. Almost done. Time to unpack. This shirt goes in the cabinet. There, all set. Let's put these utensils away. In the drawer they go. All organized now.
It's tiny, but cozy. It's amazing how such a tiny window can make the world feel so big. Maybe this is exactly where I'm meant to be.
Hit the road in this custom RV, your home on wheels, with everything you need for the perfect adventure. This lake is perfect! Okay, time to park. Wow, so beautiful. Miles away from crowded streets and endless traffic, Lily parked her little caravan beside a peaceful lake. Here, the only sound was the whisper of the wind and the stories waiting to be drawn. The gentle breeze, the shimmering lake, and the golden sunlight. Lily smiled as her camera preserved a moment the world would never see the same way again. Oh, that tickles! You little guys are adorable! It's amazing how the smallest moments can bring the greatest peace. This is exactly where I want to be. For the first time in a long while, I feel completely at peace. The water feels amazing. I haven't felt this free in a long time. Maybe this is what happiness feels like. Now this is what I call a perfect day.
That water was colder than I expected, but it was worth every second. Nothing beats a warm cup of coffee after a swim.
It's smelling so good. Just a little more stirring. Look at that sunset. Perfect. Dinner will be ready soon. These veggies look so fresh. Perfect for a lakeside stew tonight. Hope you're hungry. This smells amazing already. The sunset is just perfect for this. Oh, they're looking so golden. Dinner's almost ready. There we go, smells so good. Perfect for a cozy dinner. Just a little more dressing to start. Now for some fresh vegetables. Time for the tuna fish. And now the chickpeas. Perfect, all mixed and ready. This is so good. This set is just beautiful. So peaceful out here. This place is so peaceful. This tea is perfect. The sunset is inspiring my writing. I love it here. The stars are coming out. Look at the sky tonight. The stars form such beautiful constellation patterns. It's like a celestial castle in the night. The stars are so beautiful tonight. So cozy. Good night. The rain woke me up. Time to get inside. Got my book and bag. Much cozier in here. Time to get cozy. Lights out. Good night. Huh? What's that sound? Is that a puppy crying? I hear a dog crying. Where are you?
It's okay, boy. I've got you. Let's get you inside where it's warm. It's okay. You're safe now. Let's get to the next step. There you go. All better now. You're such a brave boy. There you go. All better now. Here you go. I know it's not much, but it's the best I could find. Eat up and get your strength back.
It's okay, boy. You're safe here with me. We'll get through this storm together.
Woof! Oh, good morning. Wait, what time is it? I slept so much.
Good morning. Time for breakfast. I'll make your favorite. Just a little longer. Ready for our walk, buddy?
Woof, yes.
Good boy. Let's go.
Arf.
I love walking with you.
Woof, woof.
Dinner's almost ready, buddy. You're so patient. Good boy. Dinner's ready, boy. Here you go. Good boy, enjoy. This is nice. Sketching the night view. And I'll add my dog. He's my real friend, my best friend. Driving back to the busy city life. But I found a real friend. You make everything better.